Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Teams for free on your Mac. If you need Teams to chat, join meetings, or collaborate with others, you don't need to spend any money. This method is for you. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Now open up a web browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and open the official site. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, just create it. It's free. Once you're logged in, you'll see all the Microsoft apps available online: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. Click on Teams, and the free web-based version will open right in your browser. From here, you can start chatting, create channels, or join meetings, and it works just like the desktop version. If you already have a Teams link or meeting invite, just paste it in and join directly. No installation required. And that's it. You now have Microsoft Teams running for free on your Mac using Microsoft 365 Online. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.